Hello everyone. Welcome back to third part of third level. It's part 3 but not exactly the third level, as we know very well that there is no third level in the lesson. That is imaginary. That is virtually true, but it is completely imagination. We have already talked about the word hallucination, and that is hallucinate or hallucination. It is same like that. So there is no third level. I repeat, there is no third level. So let us read the chapter line wise. Line to line reading I am doing for your convenience. The clerk figured the fare. We know very well that here Charlie is willing to purchase two tickets, one for himself and one for his wife. So now he has reached to the clerk and he figured the fare. He glanced at my fancy hatband because फैंसी वाई बिकॉज जो उसका हैट है वो प्रेजेंट टाइम का है और वो पास्ट में चला गया है, तो मॉडर्न हैट है. सो डैट इज़ क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर अदर्स टू लुक एट. बट ही फिगर्ड द फेयर एंड आई हैड इनफ फॉर 2 coach tickets one way. But when I counted out the money and looked up, the clerk was staring at me. He nodded at the bills. Then, ain't money, Mister. The dialogue by clerk. He is asking, ain't money. Means, don't you have the money? He said, and if you are trying to skin me, are you going to cheat me? Are you going to, you know, tug me? So you want to get very far and get a glance at the cash drawer behind me. Of course, the money was out style bills, half again as big as the money we use nowadays and different looking. So currency was also of different style, different pattern. I turned away and got out fast. There is nothing nice about jail in that time. So in 1894. And now that was that. I left the same way. I came, I suppose, next day during the lunch hour. I drew 3. Now see, and that was that. It means this was the story he is sharing with us of past time when he was in the third level, and that is the level in his own imagination. Fine. Now he has come back to actual time, and I left the same way. I came, I suppose. Next day during lunch hour, I drew $300 out of my bank, nearly all we had, and brought old style of currency. And that really worried my psychiatrist friend. Means this problem he has shared with his friend Sam. Now you can buy old money at almost any coin dealer, but you have to pay a premium. Don't forget that you have to pay a premium का कोई आपका पॉलिसी का आपको डिपॉजिट करना है अमाउंट. So my $300 brought less than 200 in old style. He in present time he deposited his 300 rupees और उससे उसने परचेज किया है ओल्ड टाइम का 200 वाला. बट आई डिडेंट केयर. हु इज़ आई? द चार्ली. एग्स वर 13 सेंट अ डजन इन 1894. तो पुराने टाइम में क्योंकि इतना प्राइस हाइक वाला प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, सो ही इज टेलिंग ओके, नो इशू इज़ देयर, सो आई वॉन्ट टू गो बैक, सो इट्स ओके. वंस डिसाइडेड, तो आई विल डू इट. But I have never ever again found the corridor that leads to the third level at Grand Central Station, although I had tried often enough. Again, the writer is sharing, Charlie is sharing with you कि उसके बाद उसने बहुत ढूंढा थर्ड लेवल मिल जाए भाई, मेरे को जाके परचेज करना है टिकट और मैं पुराने टाइम को जीना चाहता हूँ, बट इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल क्योंकि वो था ही नहीं, तो अगेन इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. So Louisa was pretty worried when I told her all this, and I didn't want me to look for the third level anymore. And after a while I stopped. I went back to my stamp collection. Means I didn't try. After that moment, after conversing with my wife कि भाई ये प्रॉब्लम मेरे साथ थी, एंड देन शी सेड कि अरे यार छोड़ो, वी नीड नॉट टू गो टू that time 1890s वाला time, I don't want to enjoy. So he said okay, and then he went back to the stamp collection, that is philately. But now we are both looking very every weekend, because now we have proof that the third level is still there. What was the proof? Proof was of the ticket? No, he couldn't buy that. Proof was that newspaper? No, he did not purchase that because the currency was not with him. My friend Sam Winner disappeared. My friend Sam Winner disappeared. Sam is the same psychiatrist friend, and that disappeared from the present time. Nobody knows where. But I sort of, again he is thinking something. But I sort of suspected because I always said he liked the sound of place, and that's where he is all right in 1894. It means he couldn't go, but my friend has gone there. He is enjoying their 1894 wala time. Because one night fussing with my stamp collection, I found, well, don't know what a first day cover is. When a new stamp is issued, stamp collectors buy some and, please turn the page, and use them to mail envelopes to themselves on the very first day of the sale, and the postmark approves the date. The envelope is called a first day cover, and they are never opened. You just put blank paper in the envelope. जिन लोगों को स्टैम्प कलेक्शन का हैबिट होता है, दे नो वेरी वेल कि कैसे रहता है. जो सबसे पहला टिकट लेते हैं, एक एनवेलप के अंदर अपना एक ब्लैंक एनवेलप में टिकट को पेस्ट करते हैं, अपने घर का एड्रेस उसमें करते हैं, उसको फिर मेल के थ्रू उन तक वो पहुंच जाता है डेट नाइट. तो वो उस तरह से उनको स्टैम्प कलेक्शन का होता है. Fine. The night among my oldest first day cover, I found one that shouldn't have been there, but there it is. It was there because someone has mailed it to my grandfather and at his home in the Galesburg. That is what the address on the envelope said. And it had been there since July 1884. बट जब वो स्टैम्प में से कुछ अपना ढूंढ रहा था, देन ही गॉट एन एनवेलप. शायद उसके ग्रैंडफादर को कोई एनवेलप किसी ने पोस्ट किया था वो, और उस पर वो क्योंकि उसके दादाजी को भी हैबिट था स्टैम्प कलेक्शन का, जो शायद इनहेरिटेड हुआ उसके अंदर भी. द पोस्ट मास्टर शोड दैट येट आई थिंक रिमेंबर इट एट ऑल. द स्टैम्प वॉज 6 cent dull brown with a picture of President Garfield. Naturally, when the envelope came to the gradient in the mail, it went right into his collection and stayed there till I took it and opened it. Because जैसे मैं आपको ऑलरेडी बता चुकी हूँ, उसमें ब्लैंक पेपर मिलना चाहिए था, बट ब्लैंक नहीं था. And then the paper inside was blank. It read, it was not blank, something was written there. But normally क्या होता था कि लोग blank paper उसके अंदर रखते थे. And when he opened that envelope, what was there? It was there with a paper जिस पर कुछ लिखा हुआ था, and it was a letter. You can see from the picture itself that is enclosed in a box. Yes, the address is there. That is Williard Street, Galesburg, Illinois, July 18, 1894. Same date. जो हमने न्यूज़पेपर वाला डेट डिस्कस किया था, it is the exact same date. Not let me confirm. It was June 11, and here it is July 18. So I got to wishing that you were right. That I got to be believing you were right, and Charlie, it's true. I found the third level. Here this letter is from Sam, and he is accepting that Charlie, I have found the third level. I have here for last 2 weeks, and right now down the street at the Dales, someone is playing a piano, and they are all out on the front porch singing Nelly Home, and I am invited over for lemonade. Come on back, Charlie and Louisa, keep looking till you find the third level. It's worth it, believe me. It's really beautiful that whatever you shared with me, it's same kind of that. So again, complication, because in my first part I have already shared this idea that Jack Finney is a very complicated writer. We don't know exactly what he want to say. Maybe third level is just the imaginary level. Virtually it's true. It seems like as we read, yes ऐसा हुआ है, but actual में ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. The note is signed with Sam. Already he said कि envelope normally free blank होते हैं, but यहाँ पर उस letter के अंदर भी कुछ लिखा हुआ है. I believe यहाँ पर चार्ली फिर से कुछ सोच रहा है, और शायद readers के लिए कुछ complications वो increase कर रहा है. At the stamp and the coin store I go 2. I found out that Sam bought $800 worth of old style currency that ought to set him up in the nice little hay, feed and grain business. He always said that's what he really wished he could do, and he certainly can't go back to his old business, not in Galesburg, Illinois. In 1894, his old business. Why, Sam was my psychiatrist. He is telling, because मैंने अपना का पूरा जो है वो मैंने अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर कर दिया, और शायद वो वहाँ पहुँच गया थर्ड लेवल पे, एंड आई एम हियर स्टिल इन द प्रेजेंट वर्ल्ड दैट इज़ फुल ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी, दैट इज़ फुल ऑफ वरीज एंड टेंशंस. फाइन. एक्चुअली लेट मी रिपीट अगेन, देयर इज़ नो थर्ड लेवल. जिससे थर्ड लेवल का जितना भी शेयरिंग हुआ है हमारे प्रूफ्स के साथ में, वो सारा उसका इमेजिनेशन है. फाइन. लेट अस डिस्कस द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नाउ. Do you think that the third level was a medium of escape for Charlie? Yes, of course it was. Third level was a medium of escape for Charlie. Actually, there was no third level at all. Fine. What do you infer from Sam's letter to Charlie? Yes, Sam is a character in the past, character of past, but उसको feel होता है like it is a present character and he is my doctor and he is Catrice. He is not a real character actually. He is only in the imagination of Charlie. The letter of Sam was written by Charlie himself, and he only escapes to the past. Fine. The modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry and stress. What are the ways in which we attempt to overcome them? Actually, the life is of modern life is full of insecurities. It is full of fear and stress. One way to overcome them is facing the realities of world bravely and overcome them. The other way is to live in the world of own imagination. Here our protagonist is applying the second opinion. He is always lost in his own imagination. Do you see any intersection of time and space in this story? Yes, of course it is. We find Charlie moves from present to the past. We have observed it clearly, we have experienced it. Actually, we comes across a date of year 1894 on the newspaper. There is also a shift in the space also, from one place to another. He reaches from Galesburg. This shift to the time and place is the psychological, not actual. Fine. Apparent illogical sometimes turns into the futuristic projections. It's for discussion. So let's move on the next. Actually, man has two levels of mind, that is conscious and unconscious. In our unconscious mind, that has remarkable capacity to manipulate such things as seems illogical in the present time. Our behaviors too seems to be quite illogical sometimes. Same case we have experienced, we have felt, realized in case of Charlie. Fine. Question number 6. Second last, the philately helps keep the past alive. Yes, of course it is. Discuss other ways in which this is done. This is for your understanding. You please do it yourself. You have read adventure also the same kind of chapter we have read in 11th class, and it is equally complicated. And there compare the intervening of fantasy and the reality of the stories, that the student who has thoroughly studied the chapter adventure can easily do this, because here also the same, and there in that chapter also the same kind of time and space problem. That's anyways, this was all about the chapter. Hopefully you all, I tried my best to teach you this lesson to make it simple for you. I believe it is clear to you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please click on the thumbs up icon, like button. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful